I was sent this walking treadmill walking pad for my review, and I've reviewed a few of these before, and this is probably the fanciest and nicest one I have ever tried, and I can't wait to show you everything about it. One of my favorite things is right out of the box, all you have to do is plug it in. There is no work needed. You don't have to assemble anything. Everything is ready to go. And then the nice thing is right here, you can grab from the back, and then you have the wheels here so that you can take this, and it makes it really portable. If you're not using this, you can kind of just tuck it away into a closet. You could slide this underneath your bed because, as you can see, it is not super high. Or of course, because this is really great if you're doing work from home, you can also do this underneath your desk. So maybe one day you want to do it in the living room and watch some TV, or another day you want to wheel it into your office and put it underneath your desk while you're doing some work. You can do that because it is really portable. So love that about this. The other thing I absolutely love, and I was just so like drawn to it, is like, look at this display screen. Everything is so bright and colorful, and it is so big. So that means like when I'm on here and working out, just a quick glance down below, I can see how long I've been working out for. I can see what speed I'm at. I can see, you know, like the calories. Everything is just right on here, and it is like really clear, and like I'm just loving all of the lights as well. I'm like getting really drawn into them, which I think is really cool. So the maximum weight for this is 450 pounds. So I think that is really great. It does, of course, come with a really easy to use remote, and then you can just kind of slip this in your pocket, or if you want to have this on your wrist, you can do that as well, just depending on, you know, the type of exercise you are going for. This right here with these types of treadmills, you can use, you can go in your socks, or you can use your sneakers if you want to, whatever is the most comfortable. And this one right here, I read that the actual like pad itself, it's like a 6-layer. So it's just going to kind of help like if you're on here, if you're running, I don't know if you're anything like me, sometimes with your knees, being able to have a little bit of that layer and that cushion obviously helps with our feet and our knees. So I think that is really good. And of course it has like the anti-slip as well. So that's why making it, like doing it in your socks is not going to be a problem. The fastest speed on here is 4 miles, and I will show you that, but I'm not going to be able to talk while that is on because I'm going to be out of breath, but I will be turning that on to show you. Another really cool thing on this that I have not seen is that you can actually, it has Bluetooth. You can connect your music on here as well if you want. So that way you can just kind of be playing this from here. I think that is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn this on for you. And then you've got this great countdown right here. So it goes 3, 2, 1, and then it's gonna go ahead and start. And then you've got the visuals as well. So you've got the numbers, but then this is also gonna go up. So let's say I wanna go like a little bit faster, as you can see. So we're at like 1 right now, 1.1. So that's going up there for me. But, okay, so I'm at a walking pad, so I will go to the highest speed. So just so you can see that, and then I'm gonna come right down because, as I said, it's gonna be tough to be talking. So here is the highest speed. So I'm just gonna, so, you know, a little light jog. You can get a good workout with that. So I'm gonna just bring it down just so that I can talk because I don't wanna be out of breath and shouting in here. But the best thing about this that I have not seen on any other of these is it actually has an automatic incline up to 15%. So I've tried some of these before where you can go underneath the machine, but check this out. I right now am using the remote control, and look at that. I think right now I'm at the highest. I'm gonna bring my speed down because with my luck I'm gonna go flying. But check that out. With a lot of these other walking pads, you have an incline, but you have to go underneath and you have to like prop it up and put those legs on there. But this one, you just use the remote. Up to 15% incline, look at this. I'm clearly out of breath. So I'm gonna bring this down now. Same thing, just with the remote. And here I go, coming down. I can't get over that. I've never seen that before in a walking pad. I think that is awesome. I love the way it looks. Let's stop this. I love how portable it is. Clearly, you're gonna get a good workout, whether you're just looking to get your steps in and walk, or whether you're actually looking to get a proper workout in. This thing right here does it all.